Tennessee native Colonel Patrick Birchfield assumed command of Blanchfield Army Community Hospital and the U.S. Army Medical Department activity Fort Campbell during a recent change of command ceremony. Birchfield said his goal is simple.
We're going to continue to take good care of the community. We're going to continue to enforce readiness. We're going to make sure the soldiers of the division get the absolute best care that they can get. And we're going to take care of all of our beneficiaries. We're going to continue to give good, safe, quality health care.
Birchfield relieved Colonel Anthony McQueen and will lead a team of soldiers and civilians in supporting the medical readiness of members of the 101st Airborne Division and Fort Campbell units and providing safe, quality care for more than 73,000 beneficiaries. He looks forward to continuing Blanchfield's good relationship with the 101st and the community.
I have 100% confidence that the 101st Airborne Division is going to give every support that we need at Blanchfield, and vice versa, that Blanchfield is going to make sure that the 101st has everything they need to be medically ready, and we're going to be preparing our soldiers to fight and win in tomorrow's wars.
Birchfield's last assignment was Deputy Commander for Clinical Services for Fox Army Health Clinic, Redstone Arsenal, Alabama.
Take charge of you.